with breaking news. Fox 5 News starts now.
Mohave County Department of Public Health has confirmed the first hantavirus-related death in a Mohave County resident. The source of exposure for the Kingman service area case could not be determined. However, local transmission cannot be ruled out. The type of hantavirus found in Arizona is known as C. nombre virus, which is carried primarily by deer mice. This is the strain historically associated with cases in Arizona and the Southwest. C. nombre virus is not known to spread from person to person. Most infections occur when individuals breathe in contaminated dust.